Juneteenth Day, role of slaves in ending slavery. Now, here I will discuss the role of slaves in ending slavery. Generally, all the credit is given to Abraham Lincoln and the other governors and generals, but the slaves who actually worked for it and had a major role in ending slavery, their histories and narratives are generally silenced in the textbooks and grand narratives of American history. Slave resistance, as historian Manisha Sinha points out in The Slave's Cause, A History of Abolition, lay at the heart of the abolition movement. Neither Abraham Lincoln nor the Republican Party freed the slaves. They helped set freedom in motion and eventually codified it into law with the 13th Amendment. But they were not themselves responsible for the end of slavery. They were not the ones who brought about its final destruction. Prominent slave reports marked the turn toward immediate abolition. Sinha writes, and fugitive slaves united all factions of the movement and led the abolitionists to justify revolutionary resistance to slavery. Historian Ira Berlin wrote in 1992, when secession turned to war, it was enslaved people who turned a narrow conflict over union into a revolutionary war for freedom. From the first guns at Sumter, the strongest advocates of emancipation were the slaves themselves. Lacking political standing or public voice, forbidden access to the weapons of war, slaves tossed aside the grand pronouncements of Lincoln and other Union leaders that the sectional conflict was only a war for national unity and moved directly to put their own freedom and that of their posterity atop the national agenda. So here it becomes very clear that though Lincoln had a role in ending slavery, his primary interest was actually in retaining the Union. And these were the slaves who forced their agenda. It was their contribution, it was their struggle that actually made this happen. Despite emancipation, the Civil Rights Act, Brown versus the Board of Education, and other policies that were to be advantageous to black people, there is persistent racism that has not been done away with. So, despite the official proclamations of emancipation and other legal documents and arguments, the blacks continue to suffer in America. George Floyd Day. Afro American should fight for the George Floyd Day, a day when they will be practically free. Thank you.